Hey there! So you are going to work on the assignment, The Outsider's Character Notes, for chapters 1 to 3. So what this assignment does, and we'll focus on chapter 1 for this part of it. What this does is it asks you to identify character traits that identify the characters and then select a portion from the text that shows that character doing that thing. And so I want to make sure that we're clear on what the text shows means. Okay. So if you read about a character doing something that is stupid or brave or courageous or inconsiderate or whatever it is, the quote that you choose should demonstrate the character doing that thing, which is different from the text just telling you about the character. So let's look at what this looks like. Okay, we're going to choose this first one for Ponyboy Curtis, who is our narrator. And I'm going to go into the text of The Outsiders. So this is this thing right here that you have opened. It's a document, it's a resource within. And in chapter 1, and I'm doing this for Pony, I'm actually going to go to page 6. So this is where Pony is he's getting jumped in the fight, and the Socius have been pinned down. And I want to draw your attention to this paragraph right here. Okay. So it says, "It occurred to me then that they could kill me. I went wild. I started screaming for soda, dairy, anyone. Someone put his hand over my mouth and I bit it as hard as I could, tasting the blood running through my teeth." Okay, so this is a passage that I think shows that Ponyboy is courageous or brave. So what I'm going to do for my assignment is here's Ponyboy Curtis. Character trait, I'm going to open the document that you guys have, and this is character traits. It looks like this, a list of character traits. And one of these here is brave. So I'm going to say that Ponyboy is brave based on that section of text. So I'll go into here, and for the character trait, I will type brave. Now I have to say where I found that. I found it on page, it says at the top here, so page 6, but I can also see, if I scroll down, there it is, page 6 right there. Okay, so I found that on page 6. And then this quote, I'm going to copy and paste it in. Okay, "I went wild. I started screaming for soda, dairy, anyone. Someone put his hand over my mouth and I bit it as hard as I could, tasting the blood through my teeth." So I'm just going to Control C to copy. And then I'm going to go in here, Control V as in Victor, and paste it. And boom, I've got it right there. Now, the quote that you choose has to be pretty clear that it shows the character trait. Okay? I think we can all agree that if you're being pinned down by 4 different people and someone puts their hand over your mouth and you're outnumbered 4-1 and you bite their hand tasting blood, that basically shows that you're brave. Okay? So you'll know that you got the trait right or not if you're pretty sure everyone else can agree. But like, let's say I chose a different word and I had to say, well, he says this, which shows this, which shows that. That doesn't make sense. Okay, like if I said, let's say this shows that Ponyboy is reckless. Well, this quote itself, where he's biting someone's hand, like in that moment, is he reckless? Maybe, but he's definitely brave. So you want to choose the trait that you think is the most accurate. Okay, so for this assignment, you guys are going to do the blue text. We just did this first one together. So you're doing these other ones that are highlighted in blue. So you need another one for Pony. You need one for Soda Pop. Yes, that's his real name. You need one for Dairy. You need one for Dallas. And you need one for Johnny. And then we'll get to the others later as we read further. But that is your assignment. Good luck. They're worth 3 points. Each line is worth 3 points. So you get 1 point for the character trait. You have to have the page number or I won't look at it. And then you get 2 points for an accurate quote. If I disagree with you, I'll let you know. And then you can also make your case. All right. Good work. You got this.